Today I'm going to be sharing with you some important websites you need as a content creator. The first website I'm going to be listing in this video is TTS Maker. This TTS Maker is for those people that find it difficult to generate text-to-speech for their videos. Where, like, if you check some website, they'll say you should pay for a premium plan, you should pay this, pay that. But this TTS Maker is absolutely free. You can generate as many voices as you need, and you can charm any voice that you want from this TTS Maker. It's totally free. So if you should go and try it out. So the next one on our video today is Pixabay. This Pixabay helps you generate free sound, free music for your videos, and all of them are copyright free. And you are not paying, you are not subscribing for any tool. It's absolutely free of charge. So if you're a content creator looking for sound, free sound, you can check out Pixabay. So the next one is FreePic. FreePics help you generate as many stock images as you want, as many images you want. You can go to FreePic, search for the image you want, and it will give you exactly what you ask for. FreePic is absolutely free. You are not paying for any queue. Everything is free. If you found this video very helpful, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to like, share the video.